Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025. We're on the electric line. Got a Skyvan. Skyvan, very interesting. Plywood and green insulation. The gentleman found it at the Perry flea market. 12-foot span. Definitely the most unique electric on the line during the event. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Yeah, drag. Okay.
It is a slow flyer.
Plane landing. Behind December.
Oh, that's Skyvan butter right there, folks. Skyvan butter. Because when you got a Skyvan, make a landing that smooth, what else are you going to call it? Fantastic. Slow, docile, just a gorgeous plane flying in the sky. All right, friends. More to come.